Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. And not that you can tell it, lost the light, but it's been a couple of days since I've checked in. So time got away from us relatively quickly, and our 3-week project came in just under the wire. I'm actually getting ready in the next 30 minutes to leave to go get my wife from the airport. The house is somewhat back in order in terms of, there's no longer construction debris around the house. And I wanted to give you a quick tour of the finished bedroom. I use the word finished loosely because our board here, which tells us all of the items we have to do, I'm not sure how well it translates because it's on a mirror, currently has an entire list of honeyboo list. There's some things that my wife still needs to do. I have some pipes I need enclosed. I want some trim around the shiplap. I want the cat tree recovered. There's a couple of spots on the trim pane I'd love for her to touch up for me because she loves that. No, she doesn't, but she's good at it. I need an outlet extended up behind the shiplap. The shower curtain rod is upside down, as is the toilet paper holder. I'm gonna need her to fix those for me. Yes, I installed them upside down. Happens. The ceiling fan needs to be hung. I actually have the fan down here, but I don't know if it's too small, so I'm gonna let her kind of decide before we actually hang that. And I need a cover for our medicine cabinet. So, with that being said, that's really all that's left. Let me show you the room. The new bedding. Tray cute in the right colors. We now have a cat tree wall. Mind you, this one here only wants to sleep in the hammock. Yes, that one. But if she wants now, she can climb the shelves to her little cat cubby. Cute, right? I have not seen them up there yet, but I did see Petunia up on this shelf already. Over here, we have our laundry basket, the dresser that Lee and I refinished with the new handles on it, and our travel blanket. Turning around over here, we hung a mirror on the wall, just because I didn't have a mirror in here. But check out this wall. Please tell me that is not absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. The shelf is actually a piece of reclaimed barnwood that we found at a place called Eco Relics in downtown Jacksonville. I mean, too cute. We actually ended up having to give it a straight edge so we can mount it, and just flipped that part that we cut off up top to give it kind of a little backsplash. It is probably one of my favorite features. Absolutely gorgeous. The walls are painted a light green, which I may or may not want to go even lighter with. We'll see. And then, let's check out the bathroom. Voila! Brand new bathroom vanity. Shiplap walls, mirror, and lighting fixture. I did go with the white lights in here because, hello. It's the bathroom. It's where I'm doing my hair. However, I also went with the Edison bulbs because I felt like it really made a big difference. Again, I do still have a cover that needs to be made for that. And there's some pipes way under here that need to be covered. Is that not adorable? We also carried the shiplap wall into here, along with another piece of that barnwood shelving. Like, cute. Again, new floors here in the bathroom, new toilet, all new hardware, plumbing, walls, everything. Let me tell you, I absolutely love the finished look. There's some things I want to change. I want to paint these a different color because I kind of lose them on this white backsplash, on the white shiplap wall. We're going to need a piece of artwork for here. But honestly, absolutely love it. I was able to sleep last night in the new room. It was completely comfortable, cozy, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It's amazing. Gypsy approved. It feels like there's so much more room in here, and it's weird because I didn't remove anything. It's the exact same amount of furniture that was in here before. So, the next footage, woo, thanks Gyps. The next footage you'll see will be my wife's reaction. I'm gonna pick her up from the airport, bring her in, and let her see the final product. But I wanted to take a quick second to show you the finished product and to send a shout out to my lovely helpers, Miss Glenda, Melissa, Mr. George Campbell, and Ms. Tamara. On top of that, everyone who kept me sane while dealing with this project, not including that girl.
You've been busy. You've been very busy. Oh, look at that up there. This is not something I would call a simple project.
What do you mean?
It took like 30 minutes, tops.
An hour, tops.
An hour? Oh, okay. I must not have been here for the other 30 minutes.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
Did you have any idea?
No, I actually thought maybe you was doing the cat stand. The outdoor cat stands.
Gotcha.
And I thought maybe that's what you ran into problems with. This looks beautiful.
It's really good.
Wow.
It's better than what I envisioned since they wouldn't send me pictures.
Oh, they wouldn't send you pictures?
This is my honey boo list that is left.
Oh, your honey boo list?
Yes.
So let me tell you, she's been worried about the fact of, I gotta go home now and we gotta do the bathroom and stuff. So I gotta get these videos edited because I'm not gonna have time, and I gotta do this and that, you know, in the
Check out your
bathroom.
honey boo list. I still have things that I need you to do in there,
Okay.
but we knocked out
Wow.
a lot of it.
That is absolutely amazing. So guys, for you, this process has been going on for, I don't know, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. For me, I got to see it obviously a couple weeks ago when I got back from North Carolina, and wow, blown away. Completely blown away. It is so amazing and such a transformation. Huge, huge shout out to my amazing wife and all the hard work and sweat and equity you put into this while I was gone. I know it wasn't easy, and I know it was trials and tribulations I've seen as I've edited these videos. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it, how much I love it, and how amazing it looks. We didn't have before photos taken, but just if you can imagine this wall without shiplap on it, and obviously not being two-toned, it looked very bland before. And before I thought it looked good. I thought, well, it's fine, it looks great. But after having that shiplap on there, it just pops. And then the shiplap in the bathroom and also in the bathroom, in the toilet area, it just has it all together. The colors tie all together. We still have a few little things that we want to get done here in the room, but all in all, it is just absolutely amazing. And every night I lay in here and I look around and I'm like, my gosh, it is just so beautiful. And I hope you have a wife half as good as mine, because I tell you, here I was in North Carolina stressing about getting videos edited and done, so when I come back I could start this project, because that was the plan for me to start this when I got back. And lo and behold, my beautiful wife knocked it out of the park while I was gone on essentially a mini vacation. And as you've seen, if you've watched this transgression of work, she really had a rough time of it. From what I understand, and we didn't showcase this in the video, mostly because there was no filmage of it, and I'm guessing that's probably a good thing because it probably would have had to been deleted and beeped out and everything. The bathroom vanity that you saw was quite challenging. When we left off in the one video, she talks about it should be pretty easy, it looks pretty gaze. It wasn't, from what I understand. It was quite an ordeal. But hands down, I mean, it just absolutely is breathtaking. She mentioned in the video earlier about the box. Turn the light on here for you. You can't really see it that well. I'm gonna try to show you, but you really can't see it that well.
That tiny little guy right there. You can see it off in the distance if you're far away, but up close, you don't even notice it.
Another addition that we added after the fact, which was briefly shown in the photo, is the trim pieces around the edge here and also in the bathroom. Just to kind of top it off a little bit, make it look a little more refined, a little more pretty. I've also hung up some new hooks here for our towels. I also did fix the towel, toilet paper holder, and yes, the shower curtain too. It is just, it's amazing, guys. I wish you could see the level of stuff that's been done here. It's amazing. And just would like to throw out here a huge shout out to Mr. Malanado, my good friend, for helping me make our medicine cabinet door, which turned out quite beautifully. What we used was the shiplap, just like you see on the wall, except we stripped it in pieces and gave it like a herringbone pattern. We left it very rustic, much like the shiplap, to make it all kind of flow. I just want to say what an amazing job my wife did. What an amazing job. This looks so beautiful, so breathtaking, and I'm so grateful. I love you, baby girl, and thank you. And to all of you guys, thank you for watching to this point. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you liked the reveal. I hope it's everything you wanted and then some. And until next time, because we have another big project coming up very soon. But I'm not going to tell you about that one. You're going to have to wait and see. Thanks, everybody.